First, open axure.com in your browser to visit the Axure official website. In the website's menu bar, navigate to the Axure RP drop-down list and select Integrations to access the Axure Integrations page. On this page, you can download integration tools for Jira, Confluence, Slack, and MS Teams. These tools allow you to embed Axure prototypes into these platforms or receive notifications. Let's start with Jira. Click on Jira and you'll find instructions on how to embed Axure prototypes into Jira tickets. This is what an Axure prototype embedded in Jira looks like. You can find it displayed below the Axure prototype title. The prototype includes a comments section, which appears on the right side. Here's how to install the Axure plugin for Jira. Click the link provided to visit a marketplace, where you can download the Axure for Jira plugin. Return to the earlier page and open the provided URL to learn how to generate a shareable Axure prototype URL. Let's move to Confluence. Open the Confluence section to see how to embed Axure prototypes into Confluence. The embedded Axure prototype will appear in the lower part of the Confluence page. To install the Axure plugin for Confluence, click the link to the marketplace where you can download the Axure for Confluence plugin. Return to the earlier page and follow the instructions to generate a shareable Axure prototype URL. The process for Confluence is similar to Jira. Now, let's look at Slack notifications. On the Slack section of the page, you'll find step-by-step instructions for setting up Slack notifications. Simply follow these steps to complete the configuration. Finally, let's review MS Teams notifications. To set this up, follow the official instructions on the website and you'll be able to configure the notifications with ease.